Sweat beating down your face, you can taste it on your lips. Your heart pounding out of your chest, how could you possibly last one more minute putting your body through this? Then you hit your peak, the endorphins kick in, it's a whole new ballgame. Exercising is a difficult habit to pick up, but once your body is used to working hard every day, you'll begin to crave it. All it takes to become someone who works out every day is to endure past the point of feeling like you can't do it. Exercising has benefits beyond being physically healthy. The endorphins it gives off will make you a happier person and be more confident about situations in your life. The things that we'll be talking about today are what exercising every day will benefit us, both mentally and physically, the opposing view of why we don't exercise, and ways that we can get daily exercise in a simple way. So, what does exercising daily benefit us mentally? There's an article written by Lisette Borelli called Regular Exercise Boosts Brain Function, Reducing Stress, Improving Memory, and More. And it says, physical activity has a myriad of benefits when it comes to our brain health, ranging from improving learning and mental performance to preventing dementia, Alzheimer's, and brain aging. There are so many benefits to having daily exercise. We all think of the physical benefits first, of course, but now it's time to look at the mental benefits. The brain function is boosted while exercising because blood is being pumped to our brain, and as that happens, the endorphins are being sent off, and that's where the start of our mental benefits begin. Getting daily exercise is not only beneficial for adults, but also for kids. As we all know, kids are aging a great deal every day, and with that, they need to have that daily exercise for their brain power to grow. Later on in the article, Borelli says, overall, the benefits of exercise provide neuroprotective benefits that tune up our brain health over the years. Physical activity becomes like a fertilizer for the brain, nourishing it to improve attention, memory, accuracy, and how we process information. When we exercise, we're not only strengthening our bodies, but our brain power. With exercising comes a stronger brain, and with a stronger brain comes mental health to fight against depression and stress, and it will result in us having a happier life. So now that we've talked about the mental benefits, let's get down to the physical benefits of having daily exercise. There's an article called Fit America, a movement for a fit and healthy America. From the article, Benefits of Physical Activity, it tells us that being physically fit will reduce our chances of having health issues later on in life. This article explains that gaining daily exercise will reduce our chances of gaining cardiovascular disease later on in life. It also tells us that with daily exercise will come better chances of not developing type 2 diabetes, our weight will be controlled, and soon we will have a lower blood pressure. There's a website called Second Count, Educated Patients Lead to Better Care. It tells us that there's no better medicine than having daily exercise. So with knowing all of these benefits, why don't we exercise daily? There's an article, The Real Reason We Don't Exercise and Why You Should Get Your Body Out of Its Comfort Zone by Sherry Pagato. She claims that we don't exercise because we're scared of stepping out of our comfort zone into that painful state of pushing our body through exercise, despite the great benefits we know will come from it. Some common discomforts listed are being out of breath, too cold, having sore muscles, or simply not enjoying the feeling of being dirty or sweaty, despite the great benefits afterwards. She goes on to say, when you're all done powering through the discomfort, waiting for you should be a huge sense of accomplishment and a huge step forward on the path of good health, plus a hot shower, warm clothes, a warm home, and a snuggly bed. Our comforts will always be there, but step outside of them once in a while and maybe you'll find out they're not so bad after all. You need to decide what's more important to you, staying inside and feeling comfortable, or stepping out of your comfort zone to give yourself a great benefit from good daily exercise. So with that, what are some ways that we can have that daily exercise? There are simple and easy ways to get this, and we're supposed to have at least 30 minutes of daily exercise, and there's an easy way that we can do it. An article written by Harvard Health Publications tells us why we should exercise and why we don't. It says we can do things such as parking in a further parking spot, start a hobby like growing a garden, or become a stairmaster in your own home. There's also another fun way, and you can get a walking buddy and go on walks every day. It tells us that having at least 30 minutes per day with these little tips can help you make that easy goal. Exercising can be a hard habit to start, but once you get into it, it can become a very enjoyable experience. Along with having physical and mental benefits to having daily exercise, you'll be a happier person. Having daily exercise is one thing, but to step out of your comfort zone to overcome a struggle so many people face is a great experience in itself. It has the chance to teach you something you might not ever learn without trying. Get out of your comfort zone. Don't be afraid to sweat or pound the pavement. The positive outcomes will outweigh any fear or hesitation present from keeping you from that daily exercise.